Hey, no more toxicity in this lobby, guys.
No, shut up, bro. Even the girls think he's a fucking.
You touched the woman.
No, I never. He touched the woman.
I know. I just pointed at him.
Tell me your age.
No, I want to tell you something. That little
13.
Kid, bro, I'm catch your case. Look, that little kid just touched her inappropriate part. Go get him.
I'm 13.
You trash little monkey. You got no
Wait.
skill.
Really?
My gosh, Red. I thought you were gonna leave.
Bro, that man right there, that little kid just
High
touched
five.
the woman of my fucking private
High
spot. I'm a
five.
fucking woman, bro.
High five, man.
Just touched
Red,
me
high
on my private
five.
spot out of nowhere, bro. Damn.
High five, Red.
Way to make the heart symbol.
Oh, he left.
I just figured out how to make the heart symbol. Look at this. There you go.
You are so trash.
Are y'all getting married now?
Yeah, they're getting married.
My gosh.
I'm 13. I said that.
To be your beautiful husband.
Yes.
Do you take this beautiful?
Chef, I'm better than you. I wear no cosmetics. How do you feel?
I bet, bro. I'm 14, bro.
Okay,
Come back to the double walls. You know what time it is. Come back to the double walls. Come back to the double walls.
Do you take this beautiful woman to be your bride?
Come back to the double wall. You know what time it is.
In a second.
Apollo left.
What Apollo?
Yo, Apollo left. Fucking wanna be fucking annoying.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
I wanted to tag them.
Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior.
No, why you targeting me?
Because you're brown.
I gotta see him, fool. That's one of my brothers. I wanna see, fool. Let me.
Bro, you're so weird, bro. You're so weird, bro. You're so weird.
Okay, bet.
Isn't that nice? You're getting married.
Yeah, bro. I'm getting married to this man.
This is like the third time I've ever gotten married. What?
Bro, is that your boyfriend? Your boyfriend.
Play all day.
Bro, no, I'm a woman.
Lily, stop.
Bro,
No.
I'm a woman, bro.
No.
Oh my gosh.
We don't need to wash the dishes every single day, Lily.
What? You used to get better.
I'm a woman, bro. I'm a woman, bro.
Rich minion, bro.
Oh my god. You suck, bro.